On this segment, a lot of the birds have left. And so at a certain point, the tree will be empty until again tomorrow around this time. So I had to connect my camera to the power outlet because my battery's gone low. So yeah, like I said, first video, I think those are parrots and a few pigeons, and then the usual gray birds. But in that particular tree, I believe all of those are just parrots. So in the first video, when I first came up with this idea of just start documenting bird activity, especially when it seems to me to be a little strange, I'll just videotape it and document it. And so I noticed maybe about a week ago that the birds were just loud. And I do know for a fact that this is a migratory path. I did the research on parrots, but it seems like that might be one of their favorite trees, because there are a lot of trees surrounding that particular tree. But in the first thing in the morning, there's no bird activity. Then it'll just like clockwork. Just this patch of birds will light on that tree, and they'll have the song meeting, and they compete with each other, and then they slowly start dispersing. But it seems like they have a battle or something, and they just stay in that particular tree, and for a period of time, and then they just disperse. I think they've all left, because the sound they're making is less combative. It's more harmonious. Actually, hardly any activity. Okay, so as soon as I end the video, they'll get loud again. Pretty certain of that. But later in the day, I'll watch for more bird activity. I just saw some, but I don't want to move the camera too much. Okay, so over, out.